Hey guys, I know it's been a while and I meant to make this video earlier, but I wanted to talk about Team Cup, and I know not all of you were able to make it on the call, so hear me out. You need to be on a Team Cup team. If you said that you are wanting to work this business and grow in this business and have financial freedom or travel or, pay off debt, whatever your reason and your why is to be here, you need to be on a Team Cup team. There is nothing that you are going to lose by being on a Team Cup team. You're not going to hold everyone back, and it's only going to help motivate you and push you towards your goals to reach those long-term goals of your whys. And, you're going to get wear and share, you're going to get prizes, you're going to be helping people. And that's what this is about. It's about hitting Success Club, and it's about the number of people that you are helping, because your business is a direct reflection of the number of people that you are helping. So you need to be on a Team Cup team, and I cannot tell you enough. I was on the February Team Cup when I first started last year, and I hardly knew anything. I was like just getting my toes in the water, and I was like, I don't know what I'm doing. But I learned so much. And what do you know? That was the first month I had hit Success Club 5, because I was pushed and I was driven and I learned a lot. I had my questions answered. I was helping people, and I got to win, a free prize. I can't think of what it was now, but I did win. And, that only put me closer to my goals. And I believe I hit Emerald that month as well. So it helped me to rank advance too, because I was pushed and I was so motivated and I was so driven, because when I saw everyone else on my team reaching their goals and helping people, I wanted to do the same. And it doesn't matter if you have never hit Success Club before or not, or maybe you're brand new and you don't know a whole lot. It's okay. This is what this is for. So it's only to help you. And, if you said you were in this business, make this a non-negotiable, because you should be hitting Success Club anyways, because that is your benchmark to see, if you are helping people every month. Because if you're hitting Success Club 5, then you're helping people. You're helping at least 3 people a month. So I highly encourage it. If you're not on a team and you need a team, comment below, and we will get you on a team. Rocket Nation has a thread going on, and there's also teams that still need people from Dare to Dream. So there's plenty of people that still need someone on their team, and it should be you. So, other than that, that was really all I had. If you have questions about the Team Cup, there's a whole document that I can share with you in the group, and you'll get all of the information, what prizes you'll be getting and everything like that. So other than that, get on a Team Cup team. If you already are, I am so proud of you, and we are going to kill February. Bye guys.